This is my auto furnace smelter design. It works by putting raw resources and wood in this box, and then it goes into this conveyor, then splitting it into 3 pipes. Then the raw resources are distributed evenly into each furnace. And lastly, the charcoal and cooked resources are combined and then dumped in this box. Pretty solid system. Now, let's build it. This room is feeling a little empty. Let's put some furnaces and boxes in it. That's more like it. Okay, let's start with some electricals. Place a small battery with an electrical branch and a solar panel on the roof. Then put storage adapters on the boxes and furnaces. Then put 2 conveyors. Then place a combiner and splitter. Then get some power from your electrical branch and wire them into your conveyors. Now, get the output from this adapter and connect it to your conveyor. Then, get the output from your conveyor and connect it to your splitter. Then, get your splitter's output and connect them to each storage adapter. Then, get the output from all your 3 conveyors and connect them to your combiner. Then, get the combined output and connect it to your conveyor. Then, get the output from that conveyor and connect it to your box. And yeah, that's it. You've done it. You made the automatic furnace smelter. Turn on both of these conveyors, put some farm and wood in this box, and your system should be running now. Thank you for watching this video. Just note that there's more complicated and advanced ways of doing this, but for a different video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.